2007, I was able to see something that for returning loyal EPS workers, this was in 2007. July 2007, for returning loyal, emphasis on the loyal, EPS, to be issued an E9, you should submit the following at the Korean Embassy. This was a pronouncement in 2007. Certificate of Reemployment for workers whose work authorization has expired. Certificate of visa issuance, confirmation of visa issuance, visa fee, 2,500. Then go to the POEA and secure your exit clearance. So, ito yung nakita ko nangyari noong July 2007. And again, I have mentioned that in the forum with kasama ko na may nangyaring ganyan in 2007. Yung employer, may pabaon na siya na Certificate of Reemployment. Now, hindi naman magpapabaon yung employer ng Certificate of Reemployment kung walang regulation na ilinabas ang HRD Korea or na Minister of Labor. Now, I guess, this is again one proposal na since ginawa nila noon, maaaring gawin nila. Again, we are saying, maaaring gawin nila. It's difficult to presume, so magandang maraming mga formulations. Now, in the March 18 meeting that we will have, I was tasked by the ambassador to prepare his talking points kasi ang magsasalita doon yung mga ambassadors. So you are assured na yung mga pinarating nyo, kaya kanina pa ako sulat ng sulat dito, ay ilalagay ko sa talking points na babanggitin ni ambassador. Again, I would mention to the ambassador, of course it will be in couch in diplomatic language na there is a need for contract extension or a possible program na mako-consider ulit ang EPS workers. So, yun po yung commitment ko sa inyo para sa ating March 18 meeting with the Ministry of Labor. Maraming salamat po.